The new UHF radio in the Trimble R980 gives our users the choice between a 450 and/or a 900 MHz radio in one neat package that can be controlled and changed by the user.
To change the radio band in your Trimble R980 is very simple. Go into GNSS Functions, choose Data Link in the top right-hand corner, and then the Connect soft key at the bottom of the page. Once Trimble Access has connected to the internal radio in the receiver, choose either a 450 or a 900 MHz band, and then don't forget to change your frequency and your radio operation mode to suit the other receiver. Hit Accept, and the new band is set.
The new R980 is available for sale now. If you'd like a demo or if you're ready to make a purchase, contact your local Trimble distributor.